Welcome to the exciting world of cybersecurity. Today we are thrilled to introduce you to a groundbreaking tool that is set to revolutionize the way we approach WhatsApp security. Today we're diving into the deep end with Shark, a powerful new tool making waves in the cybersecurity community. This tool is designed to give you unprecedented insights and control over WhatsApp data. Imagine having the ability to analyze WhatsApp data, uncovering potential security risks and vulnerabilities. With Shark, you can delve into the intricate details of message exchanges and metadata. That's precisely what Shark empowers you to do. It provides a comprehensive suite of tools to scrutinize and secure WhatsApp communications. Whether you're a seasoned ethical hacker or just starting your journey, Shark offers a unique opportunity to explore the complexities of WhatsApp security. It's a versatile tool that caters to all skill levels. But here's the catch. With great power comes great responsibility. Using Shark ethically is paramount to maintaining the integrity of cybersecurity practices. We'll be emphasizing ethical hacking throughout this exploration. Our goal is to ensure that you use Shark to protect and educate, not to exploit. Remember, the knowledge you gain here is for educational purposes only. Misusing this tool can have serious legal and ethical consequences. Using Shark for illegal activities is like bringing a knife to a gunfight, reckless and dangerous. Always adhere to ethical guidelines. Before we unleash Shark, let's set the stage. Proper preparation is key to effective and responsible use of this powerful tool. We'll be operating within two powerful environments. Termux, the Android terminal emulator that transforms your smartphone into a hacking powerhouse, providing mobility and flexibility. And Kali Linux, the go-to operating system for penetration testers and cybersecurity professionals worldwide. It offers a robust platform for all your security needs. Get ready to dive deep into the world of ethical hacking. With Shark, you are about to embark on an exciting journey into the depths of WhatsApp security. Let's talk about our hacking playgrounds, Termux and Kali Linux. Imagine Termux as a Swiss Army knife for your Android device. It's a terminal emulator that transforms your smartphone into a portable hacking lab. You can run Linux-based tools, write scripts, and even access servers, all from the palm of your hand. Now meet Kali Linux, the heavyweight champion of penetration testing. Kali is a Debian-based operating system built specifically for cybersecurity professionals. It comes preloaded with hundreds of tools, including Shark, designed for ethical hacking, security auditing, and digital forensics. Whether you're using Termux on the go or diving deep into Kali Linux on your computer, these platforms provide the perfect environments to explore Shark's capabilities. Remember, our goal is to understand how to analyze WhatsApp data responsibly and ethically. Now let's talk about Shark and its capabilities. Shark isn't about breaching someone's privacy or snooping on conversations. It's about understanding how WhatsApp data can be accessed and analyzed, revealing potential security flaws and vulnerabilities. Think of Shark as a digital magnifying glass for WhatsApp. It allows you to examine data packets, analyze communication patterns, and identify potential weaknesses. This knowledge is crucial for ethical hackers, security researchers, and anyone interested in building more secure communication tools. However, it's important to remember that Shark is a double-edged sword. In the wrong hands, it can be misused for unethical hacking, privacy invasion, and even illegal activities. That's why we'll be emphasizing responsible and ethical use throughout this exploration. Installing Shark on Termux is like setting up a mini lab in your pocket. It transforms your Android device into a powerful tool for learning and experimenting with cybersecurity. First, make sure you have Termux installed on your Android device. You can easily find it on the Google Play Store or F-Droid. Then open the Termux app and type the following command to update your package lists. PKG update. This step is crucial to ensure all your packages are up to date. This ensures you're installing the latest version of Shark. Keeping your packages updated helps avoid compatibility issues. Once the update is complete, it's time to fetch Shark from its GitHub repository. This is where the magic begins. Since the exact URL for Shark's repository is unknown, we'll use a placeholder. This will be replaced with the actual URL in the next step. Let's assume the repository URL is. You'll need to replace the placeholder with the actual username and repository name. For example, git clone https://github.com/username/shark. This will download Shark's source code to your Termux environment. The cloning process might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Now navigate to the Shark directory by typing cd shark. This command changes your current directory to the Shark folder. Finally, run the installation script by typing bash install.eh. This script will handle the installation process for you. The installation script will take care of the rest, installing Shark and any required dependencies. This might take a few minutes, so be patient. Congratulations. You now have Shark ready to go on your Termux environment. You're all set to explore and learn. Remember, this knowledge is for ethical hacking and educational purposes only. Always use these tools responsibly and ethically. Section 5. Unleashing Shark on Kali Linux, a hacker's paradise. Now let's shift gears and install Shark on Kali Linux, your go-to operating system for serious cybersecurity work. Since Kali is designed for security professionals, you likely already have installed. If not, you can install it using the following commands: sudo apt update and sudo apt install git. Once you have, it's time to clone the Shark repository. Again, assuming the repository URL is, use the following command: git clone https://github.com/username/shark. This downloads Shark's source code to your Kali machine. Next, navigate to the Shark directory cd shark. Finally, execute the installation script bash install.sh. This script will handle the installation process, setting up Shark and its dependencies on your Kali system. Congratulations! You're now equipped with Shark on your Kali Linux environment. Remember to use this power responsibly and ethically. Section 6. Ethical Hacking. Navigating the waters of responsible Shark usage. With Shark at your fingertips, it's crucial to remember that ethical hacking is not just a buzzword, it's a responsibility. Think of it like this. You wouldn't hotwire a car just because you know how, right? The same principle applies to Shark. Your knowledge of cybersecurity should be used for good, to protect, not to harm. Always operate within the bounds of the law and respect the privacy of others. Never use Shark to gain unauthorized access to someone's WhatsApp account or to spy on their conversations. Doing so is not only unethical but also illegal. Remember, ethical hacking is about using your skills to make the digital world a safer place, not to exploit vulnerabilities for personal gain. Section 7. Beyond Shark. Exploring the depths of Kali Linux's toolkit. While Shark is a powerful tool, it's just one fish in the vast ocean of Kali Linux's arsenal. Kali Linux is renowned for its extensive suite of tools designed for various aspects of cybersecurity, from network scanning to penetration testing. Let's explore other essential tools that can complement your cybersecurity journey. These tools are indispensable for anyone serious about securing networks and systems. Nmap. Imagine having X-ray vision for networks. This tool allows you to see the unseen. Nmap allows you to scan networks, identify active devices, and even fingerprint operating systems. It's like having a detailed map of your network's landscape. It's a must-have for network reconnaissance and security auditing. Without it, you'd be navigating blind. Wireshark? Ever wanted to eavesdrop on the conversations happening between computers on a network? This tool makes it possible. Wireshark is a network protocol analyzer that lets you capture and inspect network traffic, revealing valuable insights into how data flows across networks. It's like having a magnifying glass for network data. Metasploit. Think of Metasploit as the Swiss Army knife of penetration testing. It's versatile and packed with features. It's a framework that provides a vast collection of exploits, payloads, and other tools for testing the security of systems and applications. With Metasploit, you can simulate attacks to find vulnerabilities before the bad guys do. John the Ripper passwords are the gatekeepers of our digital lives. Ensuring their strength is crucial. John the Ripper is a password cracking tool that can help you test the strength of passwords and identify weak links in your security posture. It's an essential tool for any security audit. These tools, along with Shark, form the foundation of a robust cybersecurity toolkit. Each tool has its unique strengths and applications. Remember, the more tools you have in your arsenal, the better equipped you are to navigate the complex world of cybersecurity. Equip yourself with these tools and stay ahead of potential threats. Section 8. Mastering the Digital Ocean, the Importance of Continuous Learning. As we conclude our exploration of Shark and the world of ethical hacking, remember that the journey doesn't end here. The field of cybersecurity is constantly evolving, with new threats and vulnerabilities emerging every day. To stay ahead of the curve, embrace continuous learning, explore online resources, attend cybersecurity conferences, and connect with other passionate individuals in the field. The more you learn, the more effectively you can contribute to making the digital world a safer place. Remember, cybersecurity is not just about tools and techniques. It's about having the knowledge, skills, and mindset to adapt and overcome challenges in an ever-changing digital landscape. Section 9. Conclusion. A world of cybersecurity awaits. Explore responsibly. As we've seen, Shark is a powerful tool that offers a glimpse into the complexities of WhatsApp security. But remember, knowledge is a double-edged sword. It can be used to build or to destroy. The choice is yours. Will you use your knowledge to become an ethical hacker, a protector of the digital realm? Or will you succumb to the allure of the dark side? Choose wisely. The future of cybersecurity rests in the hands of those who wield knowledge responsibly. Go forth, explore, learn, but most importantly, hack ethically.